Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Lou at Loopy Frog Nails. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and painted by Pinky. Our theme was sci-fi. Today I'm going to be using some Painted Desert extra short coffin nail tips. They're full coverage nail tips. And I'll be using Essence Out of Space Stories nail polish. We Will Spock You. Beautiful silver hollow, and then another Essence Space Stories, and this one's Beam Me Up. Beautiful pink hollow. So I will be applying these tips to my nails when I get them done, when I get them painted and dried, and that'll be my swatch photo at the end. I will have a link, or no, a hashtag down below for you to follow if you want to go check out the other manicures in this collaboration. And if you'd like to go check out Loopy Frog Nails over on the Instagram. Now you can see that silver hollow is very see-through. I mean, it's just, wow. I had forgotten how see-through these were. But we're going to work with it. Now the pink one, the Beam Me Up, is pretty opaque. It's doing really well. So we're just going to keep working on this until we get it the way we want it. But I will have links down below if you'd like to go follow and check out all the other manicures and maybe wish Lou a happy birthday yourself over on the Instagrams. Now, not everybody on Instagram that does the collab will have a video on YouTube. If I'm doing it, whether it's for Instagram, whatever, I'm going to record it and I'm going to share it because I share all the things here on my channel. And here we go. We're going to go with that silver one some more. It's starting to build up though, and it's very, very pretty. I really do like the way it looks. And these are not really thick coats, and it dries really fast, so I'm okay with this one. I'm going to top them all with I&Ms Out the Door. So I've got some other stuff planned for this one here. And I can tell you that I am loving the Painted Desert tips. And I really, really like the shape and size and length of these extra short coffin nails. I'm sold. Okay, so I've got a dampened makeup sponge here, and I'm going to do a gradient. And I'm just loading it up. Yes, I dampened my sponge. I do that. I get it wet under the tap water out of the bathroom sink, and then I squeeze all the excess out. I believe it helps with making a more smooth gradient, and it also keeps the polish from getting sucked up into that sponge as bad. It kind of fills that area in with the water so that, you know, it didn't suck up all the polish. I realized I've gone a little short on my gradient on the sponge, so I'm going to extend it a little bit, make it more the shape of, or the length of the nails. Now I am doing 2 gradient nails, and I'm kind of like pink at the top on one of them and pink at the tips on the other one. And that's just how I saw it in my head. I had a little trouble wrapping my head around the sci-fi theme. It took me a minute. But as soon as I figured out what polishes I was going to use, I was like, okay, I got this. And then I committed to the collab. I was like, yes, I can join. I found something. So here we go. We're just dab, dab, dabbing. And you'll just do the gradient. Keep dab, dab, dabbing, brushing more paint onto the sponge and dabbing until it's to your liking. You know, some people do it once or twice and they're done with it. They're over it. And some people go way past what was good. So just do it to the way you like it. And if it looks good to you, then it's good. Tap, tap, tap. I was really excited about this one. And, I mean, I watch Star Trek and Star Wars and all, you know, but I'm not like a complete sci-fi junkie. I was raised in a house where my brother and my father both loved watching Star Trek and watching the Star Wars movies and stuff. So, I do have a knowledge. Okay, I am going to top these nails with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. because I have even more to do. We're not done yet. And once that top coat's all dry, we're going to do some stamping. No, this is Time Machine BM XL134. And I thought this plate was totally sci-fi. Old Bundle Monster plate. And I'll be stamping with On the Black by Basis Loaded Lacquer. Got out my Maniology scraper. And I believe I've got a Maniology cube stamper there also. But I thought this one was really cool. So we got the little aliens. A bunch of little alien heads here. I'm going to put that on a nail. Cute, cute. And I'm just picking some different images off of this plate. I didn't want the nails to all look the same. But I really, really loved how this turned out. It was sci-fi, but yet still me, so we're good. Cute. Cute, cute. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and when I do clean the plate, it's getting cleaned with acetone, pure acetone. And I just couldn't wait to use this image. I knew that I had this image on a few different plates, and I definitely wanted to use it, like a circuit board looking. I was like, yes, we got to have that one. And then for that little tiny pink nail, got some moons and stars. And I pushed too hard. That stamper gave out. It went up into it. There we go. Cleaning with some pure acetone here. I clean everything up before I put it away, so it's ready when I want to use it again. Ready for next time. Alright, got our cleaning up done. We're going to top these nails with some Maniology smudge-free top coat. And this just helps seal that stamping in without smearing it. Isn't that cute? And once that is completely dry, I'm going to cover everything with Sèche Vite. Very, very easy peasy manicure. Just some straight up stamping. Well, the gradient, but you know, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I thought the stamping looked good over the silver and the pink. So there is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.